Hi guys, welcome to Rice and Rotis. So today we're gonna make an easy, simple egg fried rice. So into a pan I've added around 3 to 4 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Then add in chopped garlic, ginger and spring onion whites. Then add in 1 carrot, 1 onion and 2 green chilies finely chopped. 6 to 4 beans finely chopped. Add salt as per taste. 1 capsicum finely chopped. Add in 2 eggs. Make sure to mix it well. Add in 2 teaspoons of soya sauce. Add the cooked rice. Half a teaspoon of pepper powder and mix well. Finally, add in the chopped spring onion greens. The fried rice is ready. Please like, share and subscribe.